Crest Ultrasonics is proud to introduce the Solvac S1 1010, the starter unit in the Solvac range of vapour degreasers. The Solvac S1 1010 is designed to remove both oil-based and particulate contamination over a wide spectrum of cleaning applications. Solvent cleaning provides rapid degreasing, and the ultrasonic process ensures that surface particles are removed. Furthermore, the sonic activity penetrates blind holes, threaded, and complex features, ensuring high levels of cleanliness where other cleaning processes may not reach. The unit is floor-standing, mobile on casters, compact, and designed to minimize solvent consumption. The Solvac S1 1010 does not need any water supplies in or drains out from the system. The process is fully closed-looped. Install power, apply plant compressed air, add solvent. It's that easy. No mains, no drains. Solvac systems are PLC controlled and include a high-resolution HMI screen with an intuitive user interface, and models with up to 100 user programs are available. Password protection of sensitive settings and controls is provided to ensure the machine cannot be operated or adjusted without the correct level of authorization. The PLC control system also continuously checks the system status and keeps a historical record of alarms. The machine will process your work through a sequence of immersion, ultrasonic cavitation, vertical agitations, vapor rinses, and final freeboard drying, as set up in the highly flexible program configuration screen. The compact design shows a single tank fabrication with the process column to the center and the vapor generator offset to the left. To the right is the hoist mechanism. The one-piece tank construction shows the refrigeration condensing coils at the top of the vapor zone and the clean process tank below, overflowing to the boiling vapor generator to the left. To begin, load the parts in the basket and open the lid. Place the basket onto the loading platform just inside the machine and press the start button. The platform will automatically lower into the immersion position and the lid will reseal. The work remains in the immersion position where the ultrasonic cleaning energy is directed. In addition to direct ultrasonics, immersion with filtration and vertical agitations with or without ultrasonics are available in user-configurable program screens. The process tank is continually being replenished with clean distilled solvent returned from the cooling coils below the solvent level. As the process tank is filled, the surface wears over to the boiling sump, taking with it any particulate contamination floating on the surface. A filter is provided for the process sump in order to remove any suspended particulate contamination. The filter pump runs constantly while the machine is on, unless the ultrasonics are running. Following the immersion cycle, the basket is raised to the vapor zone, where it remains for a programmable time while bulk solvent drains back into the tank and hot vapor condenses onto the parts, providing a surface rinsing action of pure distilled solvent. The boiling sump is continuously active, using the energy-saving vapor-tonic control system to regulate the heat applied to ensure the vapor level is maintained. The work basket then rises to the refrigerated freeboard cooling region, where any remaining solvent flash dries off into the cold air region and falls back into the vapor zone, providing for a clean, dried part in a relatively short process time. Once the cycle time has been completed, an intermittent background buzzer will remind the operator to open the lid and retrieve the parts, at which point the system will be ready for the next cycle. The Solvac S1 1010 is a highly efficient and effective industrial precision cleaning process. Used in conjunction with today's safe, halogenated solvents, users can expect to see many years of exceptional component cleanliness combined with very attractive operational costs.
Please visit our website for more information. EnviroTech-Europe.com. In the floor.